we're still in the new neighborhood, and this motherfucker Escalito is gonna try to. The shit. Get it. You alright?
Yeah.
Shit, that was something. Oh, you still the first one.
I got it.
Okay.
Then what the hell?
Oh, this was the first one.
Look at that.
Okay, people. Right now, I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna put another one.
We should
Coming
leave
down
now,
again, the
fool.
same one.
We should leave because then the white folks are gonna get pissed.
Who?
The white folks.
All right then.
Just leave.
Laters.
We're gonna try the other mountain again because people start complaining out here from experience. We know. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you see the other ones too.